Hello, it's Kristoph. I'm out here at the ranch. Where's Tinker? Never mind. We have obviously more cleaning up to do. Gotta try to get this. Hey, look, there's a door. Tinkerbell! Woo, Tinkerbell! Anyway, so that's the door we put up. And Lorraine. It's Tinkerbell. Oh, that's a good girl. She's so old. And this is my lock. Lock. It's just to keep the door from opening spontaneously.
Come on, Tink.
She went under the trailer. So, yeah, so we've cleaned out this area, mounted a door, which is a big deal actually. That's all. This is going to get covered up, replaced with new plywood, more trash, sweeping. This desk and probably everything on it's going to go to our neighbor Skipper. We're talking about taking out this unit altogether and replacing it with new modular cabinets. This desk is also going to our neighbor. This table is working for now, but eventually will be replaced by something smaller. Here's that pit trap that almost got my Uncle Ron. It's by the back door. I think this table and most of its contents are also going to the neighbor, which is great because gotta get it out of here. All this is going. We've pulled up quite a bit of the linoleum. We got more linoleum to pull out. This little piece here, I'll probably pull out, but I'm going to sand it and stain it and put it back. That dead microwave is. This dead microwave is obviously going to the dump. Cabinets are good. Boy, now this is a travesty. This is a tragedy. All of this is getting hauled out of here. Bathroom is still, believe it or not, halfway serviceable. So we're just going to do some stuff on the floor. Hook up the water. But all this trash, all this is going. It's going. Dump runs. That's it. That's all for now. I'll get back with y'all later on. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Bye.